That's how I want to try to do this vlog thing again. Like, make a vlog. And I'm not sure I know how to do it anymore. Welcome back. Hey, it's dinner time, and we're gonna be cooking it on the car. Yeah, on the car.
How so you?
So we are gonna be actually cooking dinner on the car using the Manifold. We've got this sweet little setup here that people used to use this sort of way to like cook back in the Great Depression, where I just assume it's the Great Depression because that's nothing really makes any sense. But I guess if you're on a trip or something like that and you needed something to warm up, you could use this little oven. It mounts on the exhaust manifold, like that. And we can cook our dinner. So tonight we are doing
hot dogs.
That's right, just simple wieners. Yeah. So let's get to it. How's it going, man? Looks like we've been at it for about a half an hour or so. All right, well, we're up on top of the overlook where we're gonna have dinner tonight. This is an old lake bed that was drained out, turned into farmland. And up on top of the hill, you get to see the entire Spokane Valley. It's gorgeous. It's about 90 degrees today. T did pretty well. Let's check out them dogs. Yeah, we're warm. Thanks a lot, man. Doing these like Manifold cook things we've done all sorts of stuff. Everything from like chocolate chip cookies to like we did beef stew one time, like with fresh ingredients and all that sort of stuff. But the problem is those things that are like not pre-cooked or like ready to go take a really long time to cook, and it was painful. Like the smell of that stew was so good. And then when we opened up the cooker, the stew was not finished yet. But things like spaghetti, hot dogs, burritos, we've done like mac and cheese in there before. We've done like a rice, like a rice dish before in there. All sorts of cool little recipes to cook on the Manifold and experience the great outdoors in your old car. Head home. Right, any good drive is perfectly finished off with ice cream, so that's how we're ending the evening. So I appreciate y'all watching, and maybe I might become a little bit more regular from now on. See ya. Try that again.
Okay, babe.